Alright, so ito ay request ng ating master, no? Easy Meal, ano to? Llama Llama Red Pajama over the release beat, no? So start na natin yan, no? Ano kaya to?
With all the drama.
Cruise show.
Where's Papa?
LA,
Oh,
Real 92.3.
Llama, llama, red pajama, reads a story with his mama. Llama kisses hair, baby llama goes downstairs. And llama, llama, red pajama, feels alone without his
Ano
mama.
to?
Baby llama wants a drink.
Wait lang, napaka-angas nung napaka-astig nung boses ni Master dito, no? Ano pa rin tawag nito, yung parang yung pagkabigkas niya, alam mo yung parang ang angas pa. Parang yung sinasabi niya, parang nasa children's book, pero yung the way niya sinasabi, lama, parang ang angas talaga yung datingan, no? Siguro ito yung parang parang segment nila dito na magra-rap ng children's book, ganun ba yun? Tas yung beat na gamit dito ay release beat, no? So, okay, napaka cool na konsepto. Inom na akong tubig, no? Hayop na yan. So, tuloy natin, no? Ganun pala. Natawa si Mas.
With all the drama.
Cruise show.
Where's Papa?
LA,
Oh,
Real 92.3.
Llama, llama, red pajama, reads a story with his mama. Llama kisses hair, baby llama goes downstairs. And llama, llama, red pajama, feels alone without his mama. Baby llama wants a drink, but mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama, llama, red pajama, clothes on, then call his mama. Mama says he'll be up soon. Baba llama hums a tune. Llama, llama, red pajama, waiting for his mama. Mama, ain't
Punta ngayon na shoutout sa Cebu Pacific dumaan, no? Bali yung PayPal natin, Master, sa mga master natin mababait dyan. Maraming salamat sa donations na po. That really helps the channel. So ito, tatawa dito kay Sir sa gilid. Napaka-seryosong nakatingin, no? Tsaka pati itong babae dito sa gilid. Saan na ba yun si Ma'am? Wait, tingnan natin, ha? Napaka-seryoso.
pajama, reads a story with his mama. Llama kisses hair, baby llama goes downstairs.
Mukha ni pare, pero napaka-seryoso. Parang, bars. Multi. Talagang yung titig niya dun kay Master Easy Meal, pre. Tingnan mo yan. Tingnan mo yan, pre. Bilib na bilib. Diba? Sa bars ng Llama Llama, Red Pajama, ano. Ngayon ko lang narinig yung
Llama, llama, red pajama, feels alone without his mama. Baby llama wants a drink, but mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama,
pati yung babae doon nasa dulo.
Call
Hindi
his
maklaro,
mama. Mama
nasa
says
dulo.
he'll be up soon. Baba llama hums a tune. Llama, llama, red pajama,
You know.
waiting for his mama. Mama ain't coming yet. Starts to fret and they tryna llama, red pajama, went for something for his mama. Llama, hits the phone and tries
Taka
to
na may variation pa, pre. May change flow pa doon. Naririnig mo ba itong kinakanta ni Master Easy Meal dito, pre? Talo pa yung 99% ng mga mumble talo pa 99% ng mumble rappers, my guy, no? Oh, okay. Ang angas nito, man. Tsaka yung boses talaga niya, napaka-angas. Iba yung iba yung character ng boss ni Master Easy Meal, eh. Hindi niya kahanay yung mga normal na rapper lang, eh. Iba yung timbre talaga, talagang alam mo yun, normal lang mag-rap, pero mag-rap ka na alam mo yun, pero yung boses niya mismo, yung character mismo ng boses niya, iba, talagang nandun yung, alam mo yung parang cool, na parang angas, ganoon pa pinaghalo. Eto na si Ma'am, oh. Believe na believe. as you should naman talaga, no? Pero alam mo yun, nagra-rap siya ng children's book. Hindi ko alam, no, kung children's book kasi ngayon ko lang narinig to, pero sounds like it. Pero yung the way niya i-rap is puta, parang nasa album niya. Let's go.
His mama ain't coming yet. Starts to fret and they tryna llama,
Oh.
red pajama, went for something for his mama. Llama, hits the phone and tries to moan, and they get the zone. Llama, strides alone. This is
Kaya lang
why.
ina, eh. Dumadaan ang Cebu Pacific, eh. Yung PayPal natin, Master. Maraming salamat. Okay, tuloy natin. Sinisiraan ng eroplano, man. Let's go.
Llama, red pajama, whimper softly for his mama. Llama hits the phone and tries to moan, and did it get the zone. Llama strides alone, listens quiet for his mama. Trying to hit, why don't you try it? Mama, what is you doing? I'm tended to it.
Woo!
Yes, sir. All right, now you got to do it in deathcore. I'm kidding.
Oh no, we trying to make
What the fuck, bro? Man, this is what I'm saying, man. He can do anything. He can do all of this shit, man. Napaka-angas, Man, live yun. That was live and he really did it. Ginawa niya. Hindi ko in-expect kasi ginoke lang nila na deathcore gamitin mo, pero he did it. Rinig mo, live from the flesh. Live in the flesh. Ano man yung ano na yun. Pero dito live na live, klarong-klaro, pre. Ginawa niya, tingnan mo, pre. Ulitin natin yung pukit. Wow.
trying to hit, why don't you try it? Mama, what is you doing? I'm tended to it.
Oh, man, ang bigat nun.
Yes, sir. All right, now you got to do it in deathcore.
Oh, papalag, tingnan mo. Totoo yun, man.
We trying to make
Yo.
Baby llama stomps and pouts, baby mama jumps and shouts. I'm trying to get it out, but llama, wait. Mama, wait, I want a blue pajama. Mama said, don't say that to me. I'ma just hit you in your head. Get out of my face. I'll hit you in your face. I'm about you a race. Get out of my face. Go to sleep.
Eh, man, what the F, bro? Okay. Pukin ang ina, ang bilis naman ng aeroplano, pre. Daan ng daan, putang ina, kakadaan ng daan na naman ulit. Ilang flight ba meron? Pero, what the F, jokes aside, bro. The parts are there, multi. Man, pero yung flow niya doon, I guess siya lang gumawa nun, no? Siguro may mga lama-lama rin pajama din yung ibang mga rapper na napunta doon, no? Pero wow, man. I didn't think na I would be blown away by that little of a video. Ano ba to? 1 minute lang ata to, no? 1 minute, napaka-ikli. Pero, ang bigat. Yung nag-stop siya doon sa beat. Tapos yung nakatingin si Sir sa kanya sa gilid, no? Yeah, that's it, man. Easy meal, kahit saan. Iparap mo sa kanya yung bahay kubo. Pre, wasak yan, pre. Yun lang, maraming salamat, Master. Comment nyo pala, Master, kung anong gusto nyo papanood. At yung mga bagong mga ganap, bagong mga rap, o kahit anong ibang rapper ba, o ibang genre ba, comment nyo kahit anong gusto nyo. Shoutout pala sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta palagi, nagsusubscribe at nagdo-donate. You are keeping this channel alive. Kayo ang dahilan ng lahat. So, yun lang. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. Stay safe. Ang lupit nyo. Power. Yeah. Tumatahol pang pukin ng inang aso. Hayop.